Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So let's go ahead and talk about photography. And I know this is kind of different because, well, I make YouTube videos, and this is something that I really have not explored until recently. So at the time of this video, I've just recently purchased my Sony A7IV camera. I absolutely love using this camera, especially for YouTube videos. But because of this, it kind of got me interested in the whole world of photography. And now that I've just started learning and taking pictures practically every single day, something's happened that I did not expect. And what has happened is it's really changed not only my viewpoint on what photography is, but it's also changed something else, and that's basically this whole idea of time. Because at least for me, whenever I'm taking the type of photos that I am taking, it's really, in a lot of ways, making me take more time. And especially if I use something like a prime lens, it forces me to take my time, because in this case, I can't zoom in, and at the same time, I really have to think about my composition and what I actually want to have in my frame. And so all those things are really important. And I think for anybody who is a professional photographer or has been doing photography for a long time, I think they probably went through the same thing. And at least for me, it was unexpected. This whole idea of photography and taking your time. Not only taking your time to get the best photograph that you think, but also taking your time to really explore the environment, to really pay attention, and also to think about how it makes you feel whenever you're taking that photo. And so those are my thoughts on photography and time. If you actually had any thoughts on this, if you've gone through the same thing, or maybe you feel something different whenever you started learning photography, or if you're doing it right now, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my photography, camera types, tips, reviews, and thoughts, I do have an entire playlist as well. I'll leave it in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.